Looking at the Emeet PIXY, a 4K camera with AI tracking and fast autofocus. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let's first take a look here at the packaging. Love the little logo here. Dual camera PTZ 4K webcam with AI capabilities. Let's put that off to the side here. And let's get this out of the box. Let's first see what is in here. Open this up. We have the information booklet right here for the Emeet webcam. Looks like we have, looks like it's USB-C to USB-C with a USB-C to USB-A adapter here. Very nice. So you do have that option if you want to connect with USB-C, and I love the fact that they give you the option to also connect with USB-A as well. Let's just put that back on here. Okay, looks like we have another information booklet here. We'll just put this off to the side. And now what we have all been waiting for, this is the Emeet PIXY right here. We'll get back to this in a second. Let's first take a look and see what's inside here. This looks to me like this might be the bracket. Yeah, this looks like the bracket that you can attach to the Emeet PIXY. It does allow you to be mounted right onto a tripod and also your monitor. So that's very nice there that they allow you to have that. Now, let's talk about the Emeet PIXY. Let's first get this out of the box here. Make sure there's nothing else that's in there that it comes with. Let's put this off to the side. And look at this right here. Again, 4K web camera. You have two of them. The one on the left, that gives you that nice crisp 4K quality. And then the camera on the right, that gives you the AI capabilities for tracking and very fast autofocus. Really like it. From the packaging, I thought this would have been much bigger. It's pretty much almost to scale here, which is insane. I really initially thought that this web camera was going to be much bigger. But wow, okay, taking a look, we have USB-C right there. And we have I think this is where you mount this to the tripod here. Very, very nice. At the top, you have your 3 mic array here for noise cancellation. Very nice. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. I really thought that this was going to be at least this big, but it's very nice, very compact. Love the color here, black. Overall, very good. Feels nice. It's not too heavy. This is perfect. This will sit just flush on your desk. And that thing is sturdy. That is not moving. That is very nice. And that is the unboxing here. Let's just see if we can get this facing the camera. And again, I'll show you everything it comes with. You have the packaging right here. Love when you open the packaging. This is the first thing that you see. It's basically telling you, hello, you're about to unbox something magical. You also have, I definitely have to take another look at this. I think this is the bracket that you use for mounting this around your monitor, your laptop. I'm assuming that's what that is. And then I just insert that there. I'll have to read up a little bit on it. And this is great. Most of the places would either send you a USB-C to USB-A. I love the fact that they included a USB-C to USB-A dongle. Gives you some variety there in terms of connectivity. So that is basically what the Emeet PIXY comes with. I will be doing a comparison video between this and another webcam here shortly. This is the Logitech C920X. Stay tuned for that on the channel.